Hi guys, how are you all? This is Avivek, and today I'm gonna talk about trading capital generating process. You know, for forex stocks or any trading, you need a decent amount of capital, and that capital is not in the hands of every trader. You must be from US or any developed country on which you can easily have $1,000. But most of the talented traders who wants to be a FX trader, suppose, can't afford that kind of money. And for the most of the country, $50 is like $1,000. No one can imagine to lose that amount. It's very serious. And this video will also help the people who want to be consistent on their trading and grow with the process. So let's begin, from small capital to big capital in 1 year with compounding process. Yes guys, you heard me right, with compounding. When the compounding starts, no one can stop you to grow your money to 5 figures, 6 figure. Let me tell you, it will not be happening on 1 or 2 year, but in 3 years, in 4 years, you're gonna reach at that pace. But for that, you need a decent capital. To decent capital, you need to have a good forex trading strategy and a proper risk management process. But I'm from a poor family and I can only afford $100, $200. No problem. With proper risk management and proper compounding process, you can make that $100 to $200 into few $1,000s, like 5,000, 6,000. But this process will take like a year or 6 months, depending upon your risk management and how you trade. I am starting this series $150 to 5,000, and I will do it at any cost. My trading journey, anyone can do this with proper risk management and self-belief. Guys, I have seen lots of interviews, a lot of people who grow their account from $200 to 10,000, 14,000, 16, 20,000, but they have not doing any account flips. They have just one chance to do this and they have done it with the plan, with self-belief and proper trading strategy. Why I am doing this? Because I can trade with $1,000, $5,000. It's a good amount for me. I have that amount. But why I am doing this? Because I have done this before. I started my journey from $70, guys, and within the span of 6 months I grew it into $24,000. And in $70, the trader used to give me like $50 deposit bonus. So it was not used at all, but I properly managed my risk, and with that amount I traded and made it into $24,000 in 6 months. Why can't you do that? Have you got anything lesser than me? Or even with the people who got $500 in their account, not able to do this to make it like a $2,000, $3,000, a decent trading capital. Guys, to trade you at least need $5,000 to open a 0.50 lot size in any FX currency. I'm telling you guys, with small capital, you do not flip your capital and lose it. Make it a process, grow it bigger, Have confidence, don't grow it much larger, be the man. Take the process, take the time, do your things. Trading is a skill, discipline, and mindset game. People who can't afford more capital can also generate big capital through the course of 6 months. Yeah. And this is how I show you. I will show you that how you can do that. Only for people who want to grow small capital to big with patience and discipline. See, if you're a guy who wanna make $70 to $1,000 in 1 or 2 days, don't be here. Go like watch some YouTubers who are doing forex trade and opening one lot with $100. Okay, go and see his trades. He will blow his account 100 times and make that one video and show you that he have done it, but he have lost more than that. And if he does, he is very lucky, guys. I'm telling you, don't do that. But for us, some people will say, but for us, $100 to $500 is small. Then why should we do it? Because in some country, guys, due to the condition, only $50 is also like $50 is also like $1,000. Seriously, if you go to some underdeveloping countries, you will find that a $50 people can't afford to lose it. So it's like their only luck of chance or only chance to grow it into a much larger amount. And it's possible to make this capital in several months. No need to flip account. People who say flip account, I'm flipping account to 10 or $1,000 from $100, they're all bullshit, doing bullshit in YouTube, and people are losing money who are following them. It's your hard-earned money, guys. Don't waste it. Do something productive. That's all. Benefits of scaling small account. Guys, there are lots of benefits on scaling a small account. Confidence and discipline comes with proper risk management and making profit daily with consistency. If you get consistency and you're disciplined and confident, then nobody can stop to make it into a 50k account, guys. It's possible. It's very possible. If I can make a $70 account to $24,000 in 6 months, see, in 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, how big you can scale it. How big. And there is no limit if you are totally disciplined on your work, on your trading. The less chances of blowing your account. See, if you got what this means, I will tell you. If you got $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 account, okay, you have the money and you're putting it on trading, and you don't have any confidence, any risk management, any proper strategy, you will lose. How much capital I give you? If I gave you a 100k account, you will blow it up in 1 or 2 trades. It's reality. Money is not a barrier in trading. The only barrier is that the proper mindset many of the people don't have. You can scale it to 80k when you reach 10 to 20k account size. Yes, it's possible. No need to take a funding prop firm, or if you want to take a funding account, please take it when you reach 5k account. So there is no pressure on you to pass that challenge. You can take 5 challenges, 10 challenges, whatever you want, but don't take a funding account unless you got some decent capital. See, funding process are very intense process where it trader has to achieve a target on a specific time. Suppose you don't get that uh, proper trading time, and in any circumstances, guys, you're not able to achieve that target, or you break any rules. As we are humans, we are supposed to break smaller rules, so you will be done there, and you will not have any money to purchase more accounts. So in better of that, use your small amount to grow it to like $500, $1,000, then up to scale it up to $5,000, then grow it bigger, you know. Let's go for the process. Now I will show you the process how you can make it in my Excel sheet. Welcome to the capital generation process Excel sheet, guys. See, I have listed first 30 trades, and before you get into it, I will tell you the rules of how much loss you can take and how much profit. See, the rules are very simple. For me, I will take my maximum loss for the first month is $5. Loss ratio increase by 5 when you go to the other 30 trades. I will tell you about that. Don't risk too much. Okay, don't need to take too much risk in the smaller capital. Your capital is so small, guys, and if you risk too much, you will blow. There's a more chances to blow your account. It is only 30 profit day, guys. Okay, can be achieved in any number of days. It can take you can take 2 months for 30 profit days. Wait for it, go for a good trade and increase your capital. Take losses, don't wait the market to reverse. If you wait the market to reverse, you can sometimes have a profit, you can go with the profit. But if you wait and don't put a stop loss and think like the market will reverse from here, it will not happen in some cases, and your account will be gone, and you will average up your trades and do this, and you will be frustrated. Don't do that. Take loss of responsibility of your loss. After 3 series of loss, stop trading for 2 days, guys. This is very important. After 3 losing streak, stop trading for 2 days. Go for chilling with friends. Read some books. Better to be reading the psychological trading book. Any book, I can say, Trading in a Zone, or any book where you can reset your psychology, and don't get tense whenever you go for trading. Only for traders who don't have capital to trade and want to make a decent trading capital. See, this is only for traders who want to make a decent trading capital, not for everyone. Who have the capital, go and trade, but people who can't afford much capital can follow the process and make it into a big capital. Be patient and enjoy the process. Compounding with consistency will change everything. Give it time. You have to give it time. It is a small account. If you plant a small plant, it will take time to become a tree. Okay, it will take so much time. So be patient, and compounding will do the magic. Let's go for the trades, how much you can. So guys, let's start for the first 30 trades. First 30 trades, you're gonna make only $10 profit. And when your trade reaches the $10, you're gonna set a trailing stop loss. So if it goes to the like $15, $20, it is your bonus after the $10. And with this $10 profit, you're gonna have only $5 stop loss. Okay, just $5. With a profit of $10, In 30 trades, you're gonna make $290. Okay, it is like a month. In a month you're trading. It is not a month. Okay, it can be 45 days, 50 days, but you made $290 in just 30 trades. Take it like a month. You're trading like a month, and that $200, that $100 in turning into $290. Wow, amazing. Then going for the 30 days for the second phase, it's like $15 per day. Okay, same process. When your profit reaches $15, get a trailing stop loss, and above that is your bonus. By doing this for another 30 trades, you're gonna make 435. And guys, increase this by $5 in after every 30 trades. First you go for a $10, then $15, then 20, then 25, then 30, then 35. It may take 8 months, 9 months, to have this. But after doing it for 8 to 9 months, guys, some of you can even make it on 6-7 months, no problem. Yeah, don't go aim like it's going to make a year to make that kind of capital. No way. After doing this 30 30 30 30 30 30 trades, 6 times trade, in like it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 months trade, you're gonna grow 100 or a $200 account into 3,915 US dollar. I know it's going to be much more than that. It may be $5,000, $4,000, but with proper data, I can say you're gonna make $3,900, like $4,000. Isn't it amazing, guys? You have just started with a bunch of capital, with no prop firm funding, nothing, and you have $3,000 to $4,000 in your hand, and you can trade a bigger lot size. And when your capital reach to this amount, now you can manage your risk, have a more bigger lot size, not more than this capital. Just go, I will say, to have, just go with the process. Now next month you're gonna make $40 each trade, and above that you take the stop loss, trailing stop loss, 50, 60, 65. Make it 555, and your stop loss must also be increased by 5. It should be increased by 5. Okay, so I'm gonna record this all sessions with $150. I'm gonna make this amount, every month. After every 30 profit day, I'm gonna give you that report. Isn't it awesome? That most of you guys will think, no, it's just bullshit, you can't do this. But I have done it before, and I will do it now for my trading community, for the guys who don't have more capital, who have skills but doesn't have more capital. I will do it for them, and show them, guys, this can be done, and you're gonna have a good life, but with proper risk management. And you have to have a mindset of getting that big capital. Trading with $200, and you're thinking of making it into $2,000, $5,000 in 1 week. No, that's not gonna work. Trust me, you're gonna blow this account in any moment. Suppose a news hit, and you're making one lot size in that $200 account, you're gone, man. No one will see you. Bye bye, tata. So follow the process and have a decent trading capital. This capital generating process is so simple, anyone can do this. You a scalper, day trader, or anything, any style you trade, you just need to have 30 trades. First 30 trades, second 30 trades, third 30 trades, fourth 30 trades. With 430 trades, guys, do you know how much is your capital? 725, 580, 435, and 290. See, 290, this. You're going to make more than $2,000. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, I know it's amazing. This is the power of compounding. So, I will request you, to be a part of this journey and support me, guys. Just subscribe it, and after the 30 trades, I will give you an update and see how I'm making that amount into $290 in just 30 trades. Okay, bye. See you at the next video. Hope you luck, wish you luck, and get with me.